This Alto-Shaam Combitherm oven is the single most versatile piece of equipment in today's kitchen. It offers not only that no steam generator system, but a closed system of operation, resulting in both enhanced cooking efficiency, utility, and maintenance cost savings. It also has a single heat exchange burner for the most efficient means of producing both steam and convection heat, cutting utility costs. Hello, I'm Robert Simlink, Executive Chef with Alto-Shaam. Today I'd like to introduce you to the latest Combitherm oven from Alto-Shaam. What I like best about this oven is that it does not have a steam generator. We can actually produce steam directly inside the oven. And by doing this, we have less service issues, less maintenance issues, and we can help save on your labor and food cost. With our unique steam mode, I'm able to turn the temperature of our oven down to 100 degrees, which is a perfect temperature for proofing breads. Load the bread in, 20 minutes, and we'll have perfectly proofed rolls. Now we're going to perfectly poach these lobster tails and these frozen shrimps. So I'm going to take the temperature and turn it up to 160 degrees, which is a perfect poaching temperature. All I do is adjust the knob right here, and I'm going to give ourselves 10 minutes because that's all it will take. You can see that I have perfectly cooked lobsters here. None of them are overcooked, all perfectly cooked to 160 degrees. And our shrimps here, perfectly poached, ready to go from frozen within 10 minutes. Another item that's very popular right now is sous vide. This is food that is actually under a vacuum in a plastic. We can steam this perfectly inside the combi oven on low temperature steam and have every single piece come out evenly cooked, and it will never ever overcook. Now I'm going to perfectly cook two desserts. We have cheesecake here, and we have mocha custards for creme brulee. Now traditionally when you cook an item like this, because there's eggs in there, you need to have a water bath around it, meaning that on this tray I would need to have water in here coming halfway up the cup to keep the eggs from actually curdling and like scrambling. I can at 190 degrees inside this oven cook these perfectly, and it will only take 40 minutes, the same amount of time that it would take to cook in a traditional oven using a water bath system. Now that our cheesecake is finished cooking, I'm going to take it and put it into the Alto-Shaam blast chiller, and we will have this chilled down for service in a very short period of time, in less than 1 hour. Now we're steaming at 212 degrees. This is similar to a non-pressurized steamer. But what you're going to find unique here is all the volume of food that we're going to be able to fit into this oven at one time and steam it all together without any sort of flavor transfer. So we've got frozen vegetables here. Now I've got some cooked pasta that I'm going to reheat. We also have some raw pasta. And what I'm going to do is actually cook this in the oven while we're steaming these other items. All I need to do is take the handheld hose that comes standard with the oven. I add some water to my pan here, and I'll be able to steam it and actually cook it right inside the oven without having to worry about bringing water to a boil. In fact, this will be cooked faster than I can bring water to a boil. The next item I'm going to put in is sauce. We're going to heat the sauce up right in the same container that we're going to serve it out of. Thus, I don't need to worry about extra things to clean in my kitchen, saving the dishwasher some work. Now rice, we're going to steam rice right in the same container we're going to serve it out of also. All I need to do is add the water to the pan, and it's ready to steam. Now I've got salmon fillets that have been grill marked and they're still raw. We're going to steam them inside the combi oven here, and they're all going to come out perfect because we don't have to leave them on the grill too long and possibly overcook them.